power, presence, and now pure electric brutality. Mercedes has taken one of the most iconic luxury SUVs ever created and transformed it into something nobody thought was possible. The 2027 G-Class EQG promises supercar-like acceleration, next-generation technology, and legendary off-road capability. But can an electric G-Wagon really stay true to its roots? The answer might surprise even the most loyal Mercedes fans. For nearly 50 years, the G-Wagon has been a symbol of power, luxury, and unstoppable capability. From celebrities and business leaders to off-road enthusiasts, few vehicles command attention like the Mercedes G-Class. Now, everything is changing. The legendary G-Wagon is entering a new era, an era powered not by a roaring V8, but by cutting-edge electric technology. And surprisingly, that may make it more capable than ever before. The 2027 Mercedes G-Class EQG isn't just another electric SUV. It's Mercedes-Benz's bold vision for the future of luxury mobility. The automotive world is evolving rapidly. Buyers want advanced technology, greater efficiency, and smarter vehicles. Mercedes faced a difficult challenge. How do you electrify a global icon without destroying its identity? The answer was simple. Don't redesign it, don't soften it, and don't compromise its capability. Instead, Mercedes focused on preserving everything owners love while enhancing performance through electrification. The result is the EQG. At first glance, it looks exactly like a G-Wagon should, boxy, muscular, and instantly recognizable. The upright windshield remains, the flat roofline stays intact, the commanding stance is still there. Mercedes understood one important thing. Nobody wants a G-Wagon that blends into traffic. This SUV is designed to make an entrance. Subtle aerodynamic refinements improve efficiency without sacrificing character. New lighting elements introduce a futuristic signature, while unique wheel designs hint at the advanced electric powertrain underneath. Standing beside the EQG, it's clear that this SUV wasn't designed to follow trends, it was designed to create them. Step inside and the experience changes completely. The cabin feels more like a luxury lounge than a traditional SUV. Premium materials cover nearly every surface. Soft touch finishes enhance comfort, while large digital displays stretch elegantly across the dashboard. Ambient lighting transforms the atmosphere after dark. But the biggest difference is something you don't hear: silence. Without engine noise and vibrations, the cabin becomes remarkably peaceful. Long journeys feel more relaxing, conversations become easier, music sounds richer. Every drive feels more refined. The EQG doesn't simply transport passengers, it elevates the entire experience. Luxury today is defined by intelligence, and the EQG is packed with it. Advanced software continuously monitors vehicle systems. Intelligent navigation helps optimize routes and charging stops. High-definition cameras provide exceptional visibility around obstacles. Over-the-air updates allow the vehicle to improve long after it leaves the showroom. Think about that for a moment. Most vehicles slowly become outdated over time. The EQG is designed to become smarter. Mercedes isn't just selling a luxury SUV, it's delivering an evolving technology platform. Now we arrive at the feature that makes this vehicle truly special: its electric drivetrain. Unlike traditional SUVs that rely on a single engine and complex mechanical systems, the EQG uses multiple electric motors. That changes everything. Power arrives instantly. The moment you touch the accelerator, the SUV responds without hesitation. No lag, no waiting, just immediate acceleration. But straight-line speed is only part of the story. The real advantage comes from precise power distribution. Each motor can independently control the amount of power delivered to individual wheels. If one wheel loses traction on a rocky trail or slippery surface, the system can instantly redirect power where it's needed most. The result is extraordinary grip, control, and confidence. Mercedes is using advanced technology to achieve what traditional mechanical systems could only dream of, and that could make the EQG one of the most capable off-road luxury SUVs ever built. Performance is impressive, but ownership experience matters just as much. Daily commuting becomes quieter and smoother. Traffic feels less stressful. Highway cruising becomes effortless. Instant electric torque provides quick acceleration whenever needed. The driving experience feels powerful yet refined. That's where luxury truly shines. The luxury SUV segment has never been more competitive. The Range Rover offers elegance and prestige. The Defender focuses on rugged capability. The Hummer EV delivers extreme electric performance, and the Cybertruck pushes radical innovation. Yet the EQG occupies a unique position. It combines heritage, luxury, off-road capability, and advanced electric technology in one package. Very few vehicles can successfully balance all four, and that's exactly why Mercedes believes the EQG could become the benchmark for the next generation of premium SUVs. Of course, innovation comes at a price. The EQG is expected to command a premium cost, but buyers aren't simply paying for transportation. They're buying exclusivity, technology, prestige, and one of the most recognizable automotive designs ever created. For many customers, that's a combination worth every dollar. The 2027 Mercedes G-Class EQG proves that evolution doesn't have to mean compromise. The legendary design remains, the luxury remains, the presence remains, and the capability remains. What changes is the technology beneath the surface. Mercedes has taken an icon and prepared it for the future. Based on everything we've seen so far, that future looks incredibly exciting. The G-Wagon legend isn't ending, it's entering its most advanced chapter yet. Would you choose the all-electric EQG over the traditional V8 G-Wagon? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more future vehicle reveals and in-depth automotive coverage.